Welcome to Get the Math. Today we are solving a real-world word problem using a linear equation. Here is the problem. A university has 2,750 parking permits issued for faculty and students combined. There are 480 more student permits than faculty permits. Find the number of permits issued to each group. The first step in any word problem is to define your variables. Let f equal the number of faculty permits. Since there are 480 more student permits than faculty permits, we can write s equals f plus 480. Now we use the total. Faculty permits plus student permits equals 2,750. That gives us f plus, open parenthesis, f plus 480. Close parenthesis, equals 2,750. Step 1. Remove the parentheses. F plus 480 equals 2,750. Step 2. Combine like terms on the left side. F plus f is 2f. So we have 2f plus 480 equals 2,750. Step 3. Subtract 480 from both sides. 2,750 minus 480 is 2,270. Now we have 2f equals 2,270. Step 4. Divide both sides by 2. 2f divided by 2 is f. 2,270 divided by 2 is 1,135. So, f equals 1,135. That means there are 1,135 faculty permits. Now find the student permits. S equals f plus 480. S equals 1,135 plus 480. S equals 1,615. There are 1,615 student permits. Step 5. Check your answer. Faculty plus students. 1,135 plus 1,615 equals 2,750. That matches our total. Check. Faculty permits, 1,135. Student permits, 1,615. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more math lessons every week. See you in the next one.